Tired of 1v1 messages? Let's unlock the power of bulk messaging with Wati, so you can reach tons of people at once. First, log into your Wati account. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Broadcast. This is your central hub for creating and managing your mass messages. Next, hit the new Broadcast button here. You'll craft your message. Write a clear and compelling message. You can use text, images, or even videos to grab attention. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to your audience. Now, let's choose our audience. You can either upload a CSV file containing your contact list or select from existing lists you've already created in Wati. Properly segmenting your audience is key for relevant messaging. Choose to send your broadcast right away or schedule it for the perfect time to maximize engagement. Strategic timing can make a big difference. Before sending, double-check everything, review your message, recipient list, and schedule. Once you're sure, hit that send button. After sending, monitor your broadcast performance. Track your delivery rates, open rates, and replies directly within Wati. This data will help you refine your future broadcasts for even better results.